Hey everybody, it's Nick Davis here on behalf of the Oval Tube. We are at the Legoville playlist and we're going to take a look at all the crazy changes that happened in Legoville this past couple of days. You may have caught the videos and the updates over on the Facebook channel at facebook.com/LegovilleTown, but we're going to take a quick overview right now of everything that's happened. So, see you after the jump. Bye bye bye. Hey everybody, and welcome back to After the Jump. As you may have noticed, if you've been watching the update video yesterday, the rebuild, Legoville has been fully integrated with the train. Well, almost fully integrated. There's a lot more I'd like to do, but the tracks are not going to let me do it because, frankly, the curves take up a 40 stud space and it doesn't make for much tight cornering. But there's the train. That's its new bigger layout, which takes us directly next to the amusement park, or perhaps I should say the theme park, which has been amalgamated. UF World and Potter's World have come together for basically are now called Elseworlds. So Elseworlds is the new park. We'll put a new sign up there later and probably some more ticket boothing and a little bit more fencing, but that is Elseworlds now. Train runs it nicely around the side there. Fire station has moved. See where the Toys R Us truck is now? Fire station has now moved over next to the police station and the hospital. Got to do some serious work over there sometime in the near future to basically integrate all that now. But our concentration for the next couple of weeks will be here to make that station bigger. Got a footbridge across there, and then think about what's going to be going in this area here. We've still got some of the construction team working hard to build out. Also, got to paint that wall, but painting the wall sometime in the future. So I'm going to take a quick look around as you can see what's what and what's going on. As you can see, the tree house has moved to a newer location. That looks more ruinous area, and rugby guys are playing a game against the football guys. Guess to see who basically plays the handball the better. I would say rugby has it. The construction team, I'm finishing off the job and tidying up now. Still digging that hole though. Shrimp Shack is in a new place, moved into the corner here, works very nicely. Looks like drinks on the roofs, works into a nice little bay area here. Cabin's still in one place, and the rec centre still looks nice too. If you look closely, you'll see Thor's taking a selfie with the young wizards. And looks like Elseworlds. Be a nice little park. We've got some potential to really expand this into some fun stuff, but I think that works together there. We've got to get a better ticket boothing thing here, more Harry Potter-ish, more old worldy, maybe a gatehouse. We'll see what's left over. We've got some bricks. The fire station has moved, like I mentioned. Moving quickly around. This is going to be a fairly short update, so I'm not going to keep you guys here for too long, so don't worry. Just showing you a few things that have happened around here that you may or may not have noticed. We have a new building, but you're going to see a bit more of that in a few minutes. But I'm going to say there we've got good guy and bad guy, white hat, black hat, having a meal, and looks like a couple of us also waiting for dinner too. This I'm very proud of just here. That's the townhomes and pet house and the toy store all combined together into one big super block. I got two of the townhome sets to combine. Makes a nice block. We modified it slightly so the pet store is now facing this way, and that makes that nice little square there, and I think that fits quite nicely. We may have some more work to go yet, but I really like how that's fitted in there. Moving around here, Sanctum Sanctarium marks a different angle for this angle here. That's obviously moved from where it was, and we've got some plans for this area here, but waiting on something to arrive for that to happen. Modulars up that way, all looking good. Spider-Man's going for a swing. Nothing too crazy is happening in this end, and I'm going to move us around slowly, well, as slow as I can be, since I've got to take this from the other angle and keep talking at the same time. I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. How you're finding your quarantines? Lego store's looking pretty empty right now. Be patient with them though, hey guys, because, you know, remember this is a pandemic going on and they're fulfilling orders with a skeleton staff and trying to keep the legendary quality up at the same time. So you've placed an order, don't worry, you'll get it, just be patient and stuff will arrive. Of course we've got Benny's Space Squad, really excited by the robot still. And looks like Lance is finally getting the Coast Guard boat into a dock. This area here, my emergency corner, is gonna have to be revamped. So I've got a lot of revamping to go there. I think that's gonna be a project sometime in the next quarter. We'll see how things roll. Working my way around here. Okay, quick look at the pizza store because I'm still really proud of that as a mod and mock. It's a great build there. And there we have, yes, you're seeing that correctly, I have the Parisian restaurant in place. I didn't think I was going to be able to get hold of this module because by the time I had the money for it, to be fair, it all got out of stock, and I've seen just in shot there's a minifig laying down, but I'll let you see if you spot him and you can put it in the comments where you see him. So yeah, that was an interesting build. I found it very fiddly, probably needlessly so. There's probably about 500 pieces goes into it before you even start really putting any real structure in there. By the time I didn't get any real Lego Zen, you know, that click fill and that roll into it to basically, so I got to the second floor. But it looks nice, it's in place, really sets off that corner nicely. That was the plan for it originally. Now basically I've got it. I got it at a price that was reasonable. I refused to pay too much for out of production sets because I think it's a rip-off, and Lego should be there for building, not for speculating. But that's my personal belief. Not knocking people that basically keep stuff in boxes, but sometimes the collector speculation does make it harder for us builders to actually get hold of our kits. But I got this for a good price. It's actually a used kit, so that was an interesting build in itself. Didn't come in any bags, so I had to basically go through bit by bit, which may have added to a little bit the frustration factor I felt building it. But I'm very happy at how it looks. I just think it was probably needlessly fiddly for what it is. Quick look around the city. Nothing else has really changed. Not had much chance to move a few minifigs around. I promise we should bring some more stories in here. It's looking pretty bland. Some of the stories have stayed static. Got a nice little fisherman's wharf, if you can just see it. They can fish over there. Because what actually happened here, you may notice that road was one base plate to the right. Now we had to move one base plate to the left to incorporate the train set. Biggest problem with getting these things into your city is the tracks. Not the straights, but the curves. They just don't give you enough of a 90-degree angle in a base plate space to really put them into your city. I've heard rumours you can get some R32 tracks, but I may have to do a third-party order from a Trix Bricks. But we'll see. I haven't decided if I'm going to go that route yet. Really would like to tighten up some cornering now because I've got some level crossing stuff coming at some point, and it'll make for some a nicer look of the train. Oh no! I just dropped my my cable. Just hit one of my pieces and knocked it off the roof here. Oh well, that's where it is. This is pretty much what we see is happening here. All good stuff. Really has been dedicating a lot of Lego time recently, which you guys may all be doing too. It's a good hobby to share with friends and family. To share away, build away, and have fun. This is pretty much all for my update for today. Check out the rebuild video which I posted earlier this week. That is a much more comprehensive guide to what's been going on here in Legoville in the last couple of days. Secrets, basically outcomes from don't have mad ideas. It lends to basically at 1 o'clock in the morning you do crazy builds. But there we go. I'm just going to quickly scan around as I sign off. Legoville has hit table capacity. The space that I have, I cannot get any of those tables in here. So I've got to think smarter now. And basically how to improve on what I have. Or maybe some real estate will disappear and reappear depending on what's going on. So, this is Nick Davis on behalf of Alt World Tube and the Legoville playlist. Wishing you all a safe time. Remember to be sure to wash those hands. Be safe, be smart, follow guidelines. And I promise you we'll all see this something very, very soon. And we will see each other again beyond social distancing. You all take care now. Bye bye bye. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like and share the video. This is Nick Davis signing off. Bye bye.